बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about subconscious and unconscious mind. Param Shanti. What is subconscious mind, unconscious mind and conscious mind? These are three fractions of mind. Subconscious mind is partially conscious. When there is complete lack of consciousness, then it is a stage of unconscious mind. Actually, where is mind? What can the energy of mind do? Mind means man. What is the speed of mind? If you awaken the complete power of your mind, you can change the complete universe. You have that much power in your mind. Just with a single affirmation, you can do whatever you want. If you want to know the speed of mind, first of all, you have to know where is your mind. The mind is in your soul. From where do you get power in your subconscious mind? There is mind in every soul, but the energy was exhausted from mind because of overthinking and negative thinking. Mind's power got wasted because of negative thinking. Then how to increase mind power? To increase mind power, first we have to experience our soul, that I am a soul. There are mind, intellect and sacrament in our soul. There is mind in our soul. Intellect is the base of mind. Sacrament is the base of intellect. From where do intellect comes? As is the food, so is the mind. If you have positive, means Sato Pradhan food, mind also turns positive, with positive thinking, good deeds. If your intellect is good, mind gets the power. How mind gets the power? You have to think deeply on this. You should be positive with your mind, speech and action and has to awaken your soul power. If you become soul conscious, your soul gets the power and your mind becomes powerful. Then you get as much as power that you turns to deity from human. You become supreme soul from soul and you can transform the complete universe. With a simple thought, you can transform everyone and can do welfare of the complete universe. You get soul power, mind power with thoughtless stage. When you are in body conscious, your soul power will ceases. That's why you have to end up your body conscious. You should win over your inner vices like lust, wrath, greed, ego, attachment. When you got ruling and controlling power, your thoughts means whatever you think it in good way. Concentrate on soul conscious. Become thoughtless. That I am a soul. I am between eyebrows. Awake your power of soul. With intellect, think about your divine form in divine world. Then you get supreme elements from there. With that supreme elements, your simple elements refine and soul becomes powerful. Your subconscious and unconscious mind becomes that much powerful that whatever you think, it happens. But from where do you get that power? From this 150 billion light years, you can't get any supreme light or supreme elements. So, to gain power in your soul, you have to think with your intellect that I am in extraterrestrial world, that is supernatural world. You have to think that divine world and divine form and experience the divine body with your divine intellect. You get power on thinking. Whatever you think, you becomes that. On experiencing divine power, your soul gets so much power. Your subconscious mind gets power beyond your imagination. Billions, million, multiple times great power awakes in your mind. Then with a simple thought, you can do whatever you want. Param Shanti. Behad ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is